Hello, I think video is being recorded right now, and today I'm going to tell you guys a great thing. The greatest thing the thing that I found really cool is watching anime videos from Emacs. If you remember last time I made a video of watching anime videos from D-Menu, but now I've switched to Emacs and now it's my default editor. I'm gonna do everything from here. So what do? This is very simple, very simple. I open Elfeed. So what do I do in Elfeed is search plus anime. So this is it. I have everything. Nya One Piece, Nya Sentence to be a Hero. So you get what I'm doing, right? What I do is I go to Nya and I just try to find out my favorite anime that I want to watch. For example, One Piece. Why One Piece? Because we're pirates on the high sea, and unfortunately, whoever the hell is DDoSing nya.si, fuck you. Okay, I wish you die. That's all I got. Oh, okay, this is going to be bad for YouTube video because I have gone through a quote-unquote death threat. Okay, let's do RSS. And Nya provides you with RSS feed. So what Nya does is what you can do is this is quite slow because somebody had to DDoS Nya.si. God dang, I'm so mad at this guy, brother. I'm so mad. But this is it. So it seems like what you do is now land page RSS and Q one piece CS0. Okay, if you wanted to make a link, you could do something like just like this. Okay, like okay, I do not have a scratch buffer. It's so bad. So you can do something like message format, I don't know, so control Y, and what you're gonna do is just gonna change this stuff and percentage S. This is what it is. So now what you gotta add is, I don't know, no, I could just make it define. I define, make I don't know, link, yeah, search link, and then boom, link. Oh, I don't know, string. We want the string, interactive, as anime search, something like that, you know. Let's do make search link one piece. I do not know how to how do you guys replace it, but you want to be, this can be here, you can just send it there. I mean, elist is very good. So what you want is you just want to replace space with plus. How do you do that? I do not know. Said I do not know. Control C, C, Emacs, Lisp, replace space with plus. I have a string. Let's see what Xiaomi Mimo tells me. Replace rexgrep in string. So this is it. Okay, I did not know this was possible, but let's do this. Replace I don't know if this function is real or this guy hallucinated. What the fuck? In string space with a plus, and let's test it. make yeah, search link one piece. Okay. We did a mistake here. Okay, so string, we can do, I don't know, I'll just run it here. Make yeah, search link. Oh god, this is so bad. Make a search link. Okay, you have to, okay, one piece. Here we go, we have one piece right there, and this is the link. And what do we want is we want to add this link to the variable, this variable, interactively. I think okay, yeah, so we have it, so we can just do let okay, I don't know, I'm really bad at this, but let's do let is supposed to have two of them, and then link. Okay, this is let, so message link. One piece. Okay, we have the link. So we have the link. Okay, what we want to do is we want to add cons, cons cons. What we want to do is, what's the variable name? This is going to be a symbol, of course. Link, and this is going to be RSS. I don't know what. Let's do this. Go there. Okay. Let's do to my config. Elfeed. Sorry guys, I cannot show you whole of my config right now because I kinda get okay, what is this? Elfeed fees. This is the thing. So cons, let's do control HF cons. What the fuck does that mean? Create a new cons, give it car and CDR as components, so you can get car and CDR, so it returns it. So that means we need to do this. We remove this, set q elfeed feeds, and then we gotta do a cons. We need to add the following link, and then we want to add some symbols, and the symbols are going to be, I don't know, anime, no, this is search yeah, so this is search now, and search now, and then this is what we have, search now. So this is nya search, and then after this, I want to have like this to be like nya.lamb, but like, so search nya, and I guess torrent. I don't know. Torrent and fine, and fees. So let's see if it works. Okay, we want to add a link. It's going to be in front. Okay, okay, make now search link one piece. Okay, we have it. Control HV. Let's see, variable elfeed feeds. So okay, no, we do not have it. We do not have it set queued. Okay, link search now. Okay, this is quite bad. This is quite bad. This is quite bad. So how do I remove it? I do not know how do I remove it. I am just going to make sure that it make sure this function becomes something good, and I'm just going to remove this part. Okay, this cannot be like this. Okay, let's remove this. Maybe cons. I just do not want this to like execute, you know. Okay, I'm scared. Make yeah, one piece. Yeah, this is symbol function is void. Now this is white. Okay, I think we can do something. There's a thing that we could do in Lisp, I think. Quote. QU quote. Make search link one piece and control HV feeds. Let's see what do we have here. So this the link does not expand. What the why doesn't link expand? Like what the okay, we're gonna ask this to AI now. Okay. Hey, why doesn't the link when I do the cons? Okay, let's just give it to the AI what it says. We don't need this. Okay, what the fuck? Okay, it's writing, so set q cons. Okay, using code link torrent code function. First list from evaluating anything inside. Okay, cons link Elfeed feeds. You specifically want to give the search nav tag. You do list instead. List link. Okay, this is peak right here. So this I did not know this. So list link search nav and torrent. I don't know. Is this it? Cons. Okay. Okay. Thank you, AI, for your help. So let's see if it works. Make search link one piece. Okay. Okay, let's see. Control H V. If it feeds. Okay, it works now. Great. What we're going to do is we're just going to feeds to the original. Okay, fine. We're just gonna quote it. Then okay, we do not want this guy right here, and so this is got to work. Here we go. It's back to normal now. Now, okay, now we have like a function that is supposed to my. So this is it. So this is the function. So what you do is now we need to make a function that opens up Elfeed feed, updates it, and then Elfeed search and changes the search. Okay, let's see. Okay, Elfeed search. Let's just remove this. Elfeed s, so control h k s. What is the function? Elfeed search live filter. Does it have any documentation? So Elfeed search update search filter. So you have to change the value of the search filter, and then you update this. Okay, what happens then? So this doesn't work. So, and then we're cooked. Okay, fine. But we can always get it back. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this. Define my make Elfeed search. Okay. So what's going to happen here is interactive. It's first going to ask for my make search link. I don't know if it's gonna work like this. It's gonna be interactive, so it's fine. Now set queue Elfeed filter. Make the Elfeed search filter to the following: plus search and plus torrent. That's it. That's all we want. And Elfeed update force. So we can do this. So control E. So we should be able to now open up and search out the one piece things. My Elfeed search. Okay, wrong number of arguments. Link format. So what just happened? Let's just not do this. How about this? How about this? My make search link one piece. We have one piece. My Elfeed search. Okay. Update. We forgot to update Elfeed. So now we have one piece. Very good. So now we have one piece, and now we should be able to watch episode 1154. Let's do. Okay, fine. I think I've already watched 1155. So let's do this. Okay, let's go there. And so it exists. It's 15.5 megabytes. What the fuck? This is so stupid. Okay, 415. It's fine. So we're gonna do this. My Elfeed torrent or link transmission. Okay, what just happened? Okay, hello everybody. So this is what am I talking about? Yeah. So yeah, basically what happened is like I just kept the recording previously. Just I closed some async shells, and what happened is that those async shells actually did some bullshit. No, what can I say? Yeah, I think I should change this async shell to screen. Yeah, this should be what I should have done, but I'm gonna do it from later. But I have an async shell here. This is recording video. So save this. So let's kill this. So dashboard. So what's kind of happening is like yeah, I've changed the function because this is tomorrow, if you can see the date, and the function that has been changed is let's go to user defined functions and this one. So I've done some certain changes there in nya. So what it turns out is that in the nya RSS link, what is that? Yeah. So what I did is I did some LLM bullshit, and it recommended to me to use CL remove if. So I knew I should have done that, but I was quite lazy to do it because, and if you don't believe me, I've done this previously. You can look at CL remove if right here. I've done this already. It's pretty easy, pretty standard. So it's just lambda. It's just checking if there's search tag. Search tag is set to be search now. If search tag, if it is a list, just take the CDR of list. If it's not a list, just make it a list and search for search tag. So this is, I think this is the thing that LLM generated. I think it's stupid because everything inside there is a list anyway. So you know, it's stupid, but yeah, whatever. You know, let it be. It's more stuff to do, and I just update Elfeed only a single link, and then what I do is I just kill new link so that I can look at it in a proper web browser if things are working properly. So this is just for debugging, and this Elfeed. We open up Elfeed, we set Q Elfeed search filter to the search tag and unread. So why did I do unread? Because you know, whatever, it's stupid, but it's just Elfeed search update force. It's just forcing update. And what is this thing doing? So this thing is Elfeed link transmission. So we basically do the standard thing, which I already told you how I got. And yeah, the final command is transmission CLI-W. So we send into this specific directory, and this is a torrent file. So my torrent file name, and the torrent file is defined here. So this is a torrent file. It's defined in cache. This is what I use. With this, I think we are ready to do. We're ready to test. I did some testing here. Well, let's try to search for a stupid anime that everybody is watching nowadays. I don't know. So anime people are watching. I wish I could do a Google search from Emacs, but I prefer Demon Slayer. No, my friend, we're not gonna do Demon Slayer. So I do not know. I've stopped watching anime because they are so stupid. At this point, I just do not like anime at all. So we're probably gonna see Chainsaw Man. So that was pretty good. So let's search Control C space degenerate search. Chainsaw Man, and it's gonna ask for nya page, and boom. So we're active. Let's see if we can get Chainsaw Man. Okay, it's in the list. I do not know if EWW. I do not know if, okay, it's easy to get, so we get it instantly. The thing is working. So yeah, we got Chainsaw Man here. There's a search for Chainsaw Man, so whatever. So there are a lot of Chainsaw Man stuff, but let's see if we got, okay, we have movie Reze Arc. I do not know, let's see if we can download this, but the thing on top is always the best because it has okay, movie Reze Arc. I wish there are a lot of seeders here, because I'm gonna leech now. I'm sorry guys, we need to you know, the seed torrents. This is standard thing. So whenever I use transmission CLI, whenever my Emacs is up, I do not close the transmission CLI unless there's something very stupid happening. So yeah, for my Emacs session, I'm gonna keep the async shell running. So Control C space Elfeed transmission. Where is this transmission? So yes, I want to remove the torrent. Let's see. Okay, we got the torrent, and transmission is downloading for peers. And let's see if it's getting downloaded. Okay, so we're downloading from 2 peers. So very okay, there are not much people here. Okay, is another copy of transmission already running? Probably. We do not care, but we do not care though. Are there enough peers here? Okay, there are not enough peers. This is not downloading very well. Okay, there are 6 peers. We found peers. So it's downloading. You can get it. So okay, we get 2.1 megabytes per second. 3.1 megabytes per second. We're downloading very well. But why is this so slow? Because this is a huge file. It's a huge file. Let's see what the size of the file is. Okay, it's 14.7 gigabytes. Oh my god, this is a huge file. I should not have done it. I'm sorry guys, I cannot async shell command. Okay, what is this? Async shell. This one? Yeah, this one. Sorry guys, I just cannot. I'm sorry, I cannot see this torrent. This is 14 gigabytes. I'm sorry. Yes. I'm gonna kill this. I'm sorry guys. I am going to. I don't know why am I using this. Oh, documents. I just hate this shit. I'll just do find file. Documents, Emacs torrents right here. So G. Yeah, this is a part. So it's like it already downloaded. Like I don't know, 15 gigabytes. It's fucking with me. I don't know. So no, how is this 15? Oh yeah, I guess it just allocates space. Okay. We're done. What we're gonna do is we're gonna download something. Just but you can see it worked. We can download torrents just like that. And if you want to go to the next page, we can go to the next page. I have added the feature right here. Dashboard. I don't know. User defined functions. It turns out that if you do this, I might be wrong. I might be wrong. I tried to. I did some experiments and I might be wrong, but like. The page number of Nya is determined by this one, and please guys, you know, because we can do it from code, do not spam Nya, do not DDoS those guys are great guys, I love them, and I wish we all understand the importance of torrenting and the freedom it gives, especially to thought voters, because we cannot get stuff to watch. Without torrents, I would not be watching anything. I would not be watching anime. I would not be watching movies. That's it. So thank you very much. This was Muscle Light. Now, unfortunately, I have to merge these videos together. It's very stupid. Why did I do ls? I could have just done this. But yeah, I have to merge those two videos. And yeah, thank you very much. And this is gonna go to YouTube. This video is definitely going to YouTube, guys. And yeah, Emacs is great. Thank you. How do I close this? So async shell. So yeah, I just stop this.